Yeah, good day friends. Welcome to today's section of our tutorial. Of course, we all have had this saga going on with Hamster Combat. How we are not being pleased with how the coins were being allocated. How we are not being pleased on how our coins was being devalued. So to that effect, we saw some downturn, but also as an investor, we always look for the upturn in downturns. If you understand me, if you are trading, we are always waiting for that point where trade will change course so we can just buy in. Today, I'm talking about this topic because so many guys have been asking me, what should they do? That should they sell off their coin or should they just preserve their hamster coin with hope of it to grow? So we are talking of that topic today. We will treat on that factor today. Now the question is, should you leave your hamster coin or should you sell them? I'm sure most of you guys have sold your coins already, but we need to treat this factor for the ones that are yet to sell their coin. That should adhere to this. And even if you sold your coin, you could still invest on hamster coin. It's not a total flaw. We will discuss these factors why we say it's not a total flaw. Right now, if you should check the map on the screen, you would notice that Hamster Combat Coin is going on a very downtrend. But do not worry, it's normal. It's very normal for a new listed coin to fall. There is always key devaluation on new listed coin, and Hamster Combat will not be the first or the last, rather. But we need to take on the advantage of the market. And basically, we know that whenever there is this very massive down turn, when there's this very massive downfall on new listed coin, at some point there's always a pickup, and that pickup will surely exceed double of the downfall. We saw this in all listed coins, or not coin, they all had this very big fall, and when they rise up on a very good stand. And if you see from the charts, you would notice that okay, the charts pattern, the candlesticks are not just falling at random. There is a bullish and bearish fight. Like it goes up, it comes down. Like there's this constant fight. Like not like the coin is not just a very dormant coin, it's just sitting down, falling off as if it has no fighting power. The coin is fighting per candlesticks, and of course, the fall isn't just falling at random, like just falling. It's falling on a basis of it goes and it falls, it rises and it falls. So that tells that on a very short while we are going to experience a very good upturn for Hamster Combat Coin. We have evaluation that says that in the next 1 month we should expect over 250% value increase on Hamster Combat Coin. So if you've sold your coin, if this effect happens, it will not benefit you. We should expect that we are going to experience a rise on Hamster Combat Coin. So that's one reason why you need to preserve your coin. As a trader, we always have the mindset that there's a point where it breaks and where it climbs. And for the coin to have this fighting power from the very first stage of its launching, it tells that it will have a pull up power on a very short while. We should expect it to move on a pull up stand on a very short while. It will grow. It will surely, definitely grow. So let's presume that you're having the little coin allocated to you and you preserved it. Of course, it's falling right now, the value is falling more. But if it climbs, it will triple and multiply. That tells that your value will also multiply in this fold. That's one reason why you should keep your hamster combat coin. On the second thought, okay, why should you keep your hamster combat coin? Why should you keep your hamster combat coin on the second note? We all see to the fact that they have a very good market capital value. We know they have over $3 billion value of market capital. Okay, and I always say to myself that if someone can crook his way towards the up, he knows how to stay up there. Hamster combat, we may perceive them being fraudulent, not being very fair to us, but the fact that they got their way up there, I believe they would surely stay up there, and I see potential in them that they are going to last and grow just like all other coins that got listed and equally grow up to where they are today. Okay, and there's this thing that is going on the Hamster Combat Telegram game. So many persons have left. That has to be checked upon. As an investor, you find the weekend, so you dive in and expect a strong edge. So let me lay emphasis on why you should stay on Hamster Combat mini game. We all know that at the end of season one, they did an evaluation of preserving about 25% of their assets as reserved for season two. This means that they allocated about 75% of their value to season one um, CEOs, season one users, and they preserved 25% of their value to season 2 users. This wasn't just done on a random format, it was well calculated with precision and fact. That's why they left a very small value of coin for season 2 gamers. Let me explain that. Of course, we know that when a coin is being listed, the value is always very, very low. We always expect to see 0.00 and there about. um, Now what they have listed for season two airdrop might be small value, 25% value, but the fact is it will have value 10 times than what we received in season one. Why? We expect the market capital to grow, but since they have not been listed as a set currency, so we expect hamster combat to grow to even over $1, two, three, four, five, $6 per hamster combat coin. And we have, I think, let's just presume that we're having 6 more months to mine season two hamster combat coins or diamond per se. This tells us that by the end of 6 months, we should expect so much growth on hamster combat coin, and same value would play in line with the airdrop being allocated to season two users. Let's presume that season one you had over 500 hamster combat coin and it was value for nothing, and at the end of season two you still have over 500,000, or sorry, you still have over 500 hamster combat coin and it's valued for, let's say, $5 or $6 per one single coin. That would give you so much money. So you need to stick to the hamster combat game season two. Do not go with the rest. It's going to be bountiful, it's going to be full of joy and laughter. You're going to be smiling at the end of season two hamster combat game. That is one factor. Okay, on a second note, let's see to this factor. We all know that people are leaving the platform, the hamster combat game. They do not have trust on the game anymore. They feels like they have been used, so they shouldn't be on the platform. Now let's do the math. Let's presume that we're having 25% of airdrops to be allocated to season two users, and we're having less persons still on the platform mining coin at the end of season two because people have all gone, like they got upset and they have gone, and now we're having less persons mining coins in season two. That means the value of coin preserved for season two would be shared among just these few persons. That means surely you would expect to see more airdrops than what you received in season one. It's an advantage why you should stay on Hamster Combat coin mining game on Telegram. Keep on mining your game. Do not hear what they say. It will pay off big time. So on a recap, let's focus on the factors why you shouldn't sell your coin and why you should stay on Hamster Combat game. Don't sell your coin. There is all forms of fact and evaluation that in less than 2 months' time we shall experience over 250% growth on after cover coins. That means your coin value might be little right now, but it will surplus over 250% times more by the end of 2 months. You can keep it now and sell it then. But for me, I know I won't sell mine. Okay, why you should be on Hamster Combat game is we expect the coin to grow value in real time. And that means whatever coins being allocated to you at the end of season two airdrops would have same value as the value of hamster combat coin in real market time. So that means whatever coin given to you shall play in line with the cost and price of real hamster cost at that time, and we expect growth. Why you should stay on hamster combat game on the second note is the airdrop being allocated seems small, but it will have so much value due to the perception that we are going to experience a very good increase on hamster combat coins. And also, people are upset and they have gone. That means we have very few persons mining coins or diamond for hamster combat season two. That means the allocation would be shared among just these few persons with its value. Means that we should expect so much more value at the end of Hamster Combat Season 2. So if I were you, I'll keep mining my coin, mine and mine and mine as possible, because it will pay off big time. This is for sure. This fact is not fiction, it's factual. Okay, so friends, I think these few factors should actually give you a mindset to rethink if you should sell or not sell your Hamster Combat coins. But I would advise you not to sell your Hamster Combat coins. So please do well to encourage my work. And of course, if you have questions to ask in regards to this value, can just drop it on my comment section so I can respond to them swiftly. So thank you for watching my channel, and I hope you enjoy, and please to my channel, do well to come back. I always have good content for you. All the airdrops ongoing, I tend to drop clues, codes, riddles, rebels. I tend to give update as fast as it gets to the market, so I'm giving update as constant and as swift as possible. So do well to please subscribe to my channel, and drop some like. If you are benevolent enough, please let me have your comment. I want to know what you feel about this video. I want to know what you would like to add or what you would like to reduce per se. I would like to know your perception towards the Hamster Combat coins, and what you think would be the outcome in 6 months time. So thank you, and God bless you for watching.